Let's discuss about the lysosome. Lysosome is dismantling and reconstructing unit of cell. These are membrane-bound vesicles that contain the hydrolytic enzyme. Hydrolytic enzymes are there inside this membrane-bound structure. Okay, so enzymes in the lysosome are used by most eukaryotic cells to digest, means to hydrolyze the different macromolecules. Okay, so as to does the digestion of macromolecules, these lysosomes are helpful there. Lysosomal enzyme which shows optimal activity in acidic pH. Apart from that, the lysosomes arise from the Golgi associated endoplasmic reticulum. The first of all, whenever we are talking about the lysosome, so let's discuss about the list of lysosomal enzyme include in all types of hydrolysis. So these type of hydrolysis are amylases, which break down the carbohydrate. Okay. Then the proteases for the breakdown of the protein, lipases for the breakdown of the lipids. Okay. These enzymes are in inactive state and are activated only when the lysosome comes in contact with another particular organelles to form the hybrid structure. Okay, so in this way, after the action of enzyme is over, the lysosome is reformed and reused. Lysosomes and thus found in various structural forms and carry out various functions for the cell. Lysosomes are polymorphic in nature. We can classify lysosome into the two types, as I told earlier, that is the before use and after use. Primary lysosome, okay, which is nothing but the membrane bound vesicle in which enzymes are there in inactive state. And another one, that is the secondary lysosome. That secondary lysosome is again called as the hybrid lysosome. Okay, hybrid lysosome, which is formed by the fusion of lysosome with the endocystic vesicle containing material. Okay, whatever the material is digested is there, that is within it, and it is represented as the heterophagic vesicle. Okay, and this secondary lysosome is the larger in size as compared to the primary lysosome. Next, see the residual body. Residual body is the vesicle containing undigested remains left over in the heterophagic vesicles after releasing the products of digestion in the cytosol. Lysosome, which brings about the digestion of the cell's own organic material like damaged cell organelles, are called as the autophagic vesicle. Okay, auto means self. Okay, so means self digestion is done there, so that is again considered as the suicide bag. Okay, so what I said, that lysosome which brings about digestion of its own organic material like a damaged cell organelles, these are called the autophagic vesicles or the suicide bag. An autophagic vesicle is essentially consists of lysosome fused with the membrane bound old cell organelle or the organic molecules to the recycled. Remember well that every week a human liver cell recycles half of its macromolecules. Lysosomes brings about intracellular and extracellular, that is the digestion takes place inside the cell and outside the cell. Okay, so in this way the lysosomes are helpful for the intracellular digestion as well as extracellular digestion. Okay, in the intracellular digestion it is brought by the autophagic vesicles. Okay, This is the autophagic vesicles, okay, or the secondary lysosome, which contain the foreign material in by processes like the phagocytosis. Okay, phagocytosis, by the process of phagocytosis, the digestion of the material which is present inside it is carried out. Okay, so for example, food vacuole in amoeba or the macrophages in the human blood that engulf and destroy harmful microbes that enters into the body, that is done by the phagocytosis. Okay, and that is again done with the help of this lysosome. About the extracellular digestion is brought about by release of lysosomal enzyme outside the cell. Okay, example we can say that is the acrosome. That is nothing but a cap-like structure in the human sperm, is a modified lysosome which contain various enzymes like hyaluronidase. Okay, hyaluronidase is the enzyme which is present in the head cap of the sperm. Okay, and for the digestion of the ovum upper layer, this enzyme, that is the hyaluronidase enzyme, is very useful there. Okay, and that is the example of extracellular digestion. These enzymes brings about fertilization by dissolving the protective layers of the ovum. During metamorphosis process, which is found in many organisms, lysosomal enzymes helps in reusing the tissue of redundant organ. Okay, just like in a frog, where the metamorphosis occur, and during the metamorphosis the tail is shedded there. Okay, and for that process, for the breakdown of that particular organ, okay, that is called as the redundant organ. Okay, here the lysosomes are there in that particular area. Okay, these lysosomes also help in the destruction of malignant cells. Okay, malignant cells, they cause the cancer. Okay, and that are present in the T lymphocytes. Okay, where also the lysosome having its own role. Okay, so it's all about the lysosome. In next lecture we'll discuss about the next cell organelle, that is the vacuole.